No, you don't need to intentionally drink 8 glasses of water per day. There's no scientific proof that in healthy person, drinking extra water will give you any benefit health. It will not give you extra skin beauty, bring off your wrinkles, improve your kidney functions, clear out toxin, or it won't give you extra energy. So where did the saying actually come from? Actually, in 1945, the US Food and Nutrition Board recommended that the people drink 2.5 liters of water per day, which is converted to about 8 glasses of water a day. However, this amount of water actually has majority being contained in the food that we eat daily, especially in vegetables and also fruits. God has designed our body to let us know when we need to drink, long before the time we are at risk of being dehydrated. Using the color of your urine as a guide, it should be light yellow color. If it is going into darker yellow color, it is time for you to get an extra cup or extra glass of water. It is the total daily calorie intake that matters the most. Studies have shown that the sleeping metabolic rate is not much difference compared to that of the daytime. Sleeping metabolic rate is the one that will determine the rate of calorie burns during sleep. But how about carbohydrates, you may ask? Rumors say that insulin sensitivity will decrease during sleep, and this will cause the conversion of glucose to fat storage. However, it is actually not much difference in terms of insulin sensitivity during sleep as compared to daytime. In fact, it will gradually increase during sleep. A study recently published in Obesity International Journals also showed that those who take 80% of their carbohydrates during evening actually lost weight and higher fat. Having said all this saying still remains controversial, as there are also studies which shows opposing result. This is also not a too good habit to have, as it is a cause for indigestion, dyspepsia, and so on. Muscle does not turn into fat when you become less active or stop weight training. They do, however, lose mass. Any fat gain during this time will be because of eating the same amount of food and calorie intake as you previously have and are not being burned and thus converting into fat. When you exercise, your body does not actually create new muscles, but in fact your existing muscles grow larger and stronger, and the number of capillaries increase. With muscle exercising, your muscle also develops new mitochondria, and this is where the biochemical process of respiration and energy production occurs in the cell. When you become less active, what will happen is your muscle will not turn to fat or disappear, but instead they do shrink and decrease in mass. At just 78 calories each, egg is actually an efficient and important source of nutrient. A large egg actually contains 6 grams of protein, and it is also a good source of many other nutrients including vitamin D. But a typical egg also contains about 186 milligrams of cholesterol. Although there have been studies which shows a link between eating eggs and also heart disease, there may be other factors which have caused all these findings. The food people typically eat together with eggs, for example, bacon, sausages, and so on, could be the cause which cause the increased risk of heart disease. Besides that, the way that which the eggs is cooked is also important. If it is fried using butter and animal oils, of course this will again increase the risk of heart disease. It is suggested that one should take an egg a day or 2 egg whites with 1 egg yolk a day. And most importantly, the way that it is cooked should also try to avoid animal oils and so on.